How to set Start Android Auto automatically to always, default, or if used on the last drive. Now first, let's return back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. Then on the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up Quick Settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Next, we go down and then tap on Connected Devices. Now in here, go down and then tap on Android Auto at the bottom. Next, in the Startup section, tap on Start Android Auto automatically. And from the pop-up options, you have the choice to select Always. So Always, you can choose if used on the last drive or default, so set by the vehicle. And that's it. So that's how you can choose whether to start Android Auto automatically, to always, or by default, setting by the vehicle. And that's it. After that, we can tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. If you find the video helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.